Right, time to reveal the new car. Right guys, it's time to say goodbye to this Learner car because I've just bought a brand new one. But this one, it holds a special place in my heart. The reason for that is this is the car that I started my social media journey in. So I've had this car for about 4.5 years now. And it's only done about 40,000 miles because I was just mainly filming mock tests and uploading videos, still doing lessons in between. But yeah, the amount of pain and suffering this car's been through, it's still done me really good. Yeah, so let's have a quick look at the alloys. Look at those, the amount of pain and scrape, can you call it scrape here, that they've been through. But like I said, this car, it's never really, apart from that one time where the battery went on it, yeah, it's been really good. It's been really good. So yeah, I think I'm going to get into my new car now, and I'm going to show you which one I've bought. And what I'll do is, because before this car I've had 3 other cars, I'm going to rate those 3 cars and tell you which one was the best out of all of them. Yeah, so yeah, let's get into the new car. Right, so this is the new car. As you can see, totally different interior. It's got loads of features compared to the previous car. I will be making a video on these features because some of these features will actually help learners with their driving journey and on their test. Yeah, you can use a lot of these features on the actual driving test. So I'm going to obviously show you the car from the outside in a moment, but before I do that, let's quickly run through the cars that I've had as an instructor and let's rate them, because I've had some really good cars and I've had some pretty poor ones as well. Yeah, so when I qualified in 2009, I started off with a Ford Fiesta, and to be honest, the Ford Fiesta was very reliable. Didn't have too many major problems with that, to replace the clutch one time. And yeah, and it was quite cheap to repair. So and the learners got used to pretty quickly as well. It was obviously wasn't too big. I have heard that Ford are going to stop producing the Fiestas as well now. But yeah, in my experience, and this is my personal opinion, the Fiesta was a really good car as a driving school car. And out of 10, I'd give it a solid 7. So I kept that car for it was around 4 years, and then. So around 2013, I bought the new Renault Clios that came out, the new shape that came out then, and that was probably the best looking car I've had as an instructor. It looked really nice, the design was brilliant, the interior was really nice. So looks wise, it was a 10 out of 10. But practicality wise and reliability, yeah, it was probably the worst car I had as an instructor, because it's like the brake pads would just go so quickly compared to the Fiesta that I had before. And yeah, there was always I had quite a few problems with that car. I still kept it for, I think it was about 3 years, because I had that on finance. And yeah, that I would rate that the Renault Clio probably around a 4 out of 10. Yeah, 4 only just because of the how good it looked and how nice the interior was. So after that, so that was 2013, I think I bought that. Then 2016, I decided to switch to a Hyundai i20 because another instructor told me that these Hyundais are quite reliable. He'd had one, never had many issues, so I thought, let me just try one of those. And to be honest, the Hyundai i20, I had that for about 3.5 years, no issues whatsoever, really good car. Obviously, some people say they don't look the best, but to me, it looked fine, to be honest, and it was really practical. Yeah, and it wasn't too expensive to get any repairs done, but to be honest, it didn't have too many repairs. So that car, I would, again, I'd give it a 7.5 out of 10, because I think it was better than the Fiesta, to be honest. And then because I liked Hyundai so much, yeah, I decided to change it. Still stick with the Hyundai, but instead of the i20 model, went for the i30, which is obviously slightly bigger, easier for the passengers, kids, and because at that time I was doing a lot of instructor training as well. So when you do instructor training, you do have to assess lessons from the back seat as well, and it was just easier to sit in the back as well, when you're assessing these lessons. So that's why I decided to go for the i30, as it was bigger and just more practical, really. And again, so that was a car that I've just showed you that I've been doing all my videos in, and like I said, he hasn't done too much mileage because obviously in between we had COVID, and obviously I cut down on the actual driving lessons to do the video, so I was mainly doing mock tests and a few lessons. So this Hyundai, which I've just like I said, my car before this one, the one that I've been doing all the videos in, I'd give that a solid 8.5 out of 10, just because it's like I've had no issues with it. So it's been a really good car. That one time the battery went on it. I did a video on that, didn't I, with the lane where we were at a roundabout and it wouldn't restart. So that was the only issue I had with it, really. So now let's show you this car and show you what I've gone for this time. Right, let's go outside. So let's give you a close-up of it. Can you guys guess what it is? Right, time to reveal the new car. What do you reckon, guys? So I've gone for the same model again. Like I said, I've had a very good experience so far with Hyundai, and I've decided to go for the i30. Obviously this is a different shape now, it's a newer model, and this is the top spec they do, and I think it looks really good. So hopefully it's going to be reliable as the previous Hyundais I've had. Let's give you a quick look of the inside. So nice interior, spacious, and so I've been driving it around and I actually really like it. But obviously the main thing is, what are the learners going to think about it? I will be doing a lesson in a couple of days with Phoebe, the learner that I'm teaching, and we'll get her view on her first drive in a new car. Obviously there are a lot of different features which she hasn't used before, like an electric handbrake, so it'll be an interesting video. So guys, so hope you like the new car, and like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.